This is a special weather statement for the following counties in Indiana: Clark, Crawford, Floyd, Harrison, Jefferson, Orange, Perry, Scott, and Washington. And the following counties in Kentucky: Breckenridge, Bullitt, Hardin, Henry, Jefferson, Meade, Nelson, Oldham, Shelby, Spencer, and Trimble. Gusty winds this afternoon through Monday. Windy conditions will develop by this afternoon behind a departing cold front. West-southwest winds will gust to 30 to 35 miles per hour at times through Monday. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. 10 a.m. Eastern